construction crew are at the park. Look at all those rainbow-coloured flower beds. But it looks like some colours are missing. They need to plant the yellow and purple flowers to complete the rainbow. But wait! Mr. Rubble has a plan! What's this? A robot digger? Mr. Rubble is really excited to test the robot. But Digley and Dazey aren't so sure it's a good idea. Here we go! Time to dig! Wow! Looks like it's working. But now Digley and Dazey have nothing to do. What's Kitten up to? Oh no! She's taken the remote for the digger. Now the robot is out of control and he's making a mess everywhere. Digley and Dazey have to do something. Digley is trying to catch the robot, but it's not an easy job. Oh no! Almost, Digley. Dazey is trying to catch Kitten. Oops! Sorry, Mr. Rubble. The robot is making a huge mess. They need to stop it quickly. Quick, Digley, quick! Phew! Mr. Rubble has grabbed Kitten from the tree. Nice work, Dazey. And Digley managed to catch the robot. Phew! That was a close one. The crew have cleaned up all the mess and they planted all the flowers. Great teamwork, guys. They even found a new job for Robot Digger. Well done, everyone.